today we'll be playing a game called Robloxian Water Park. It's gonna be a fun one. It's a really good one. It's real good. Yeah, and it's gonna be a really good one. Don't come in my room. Hey guys, today we'll be playing a game called Robloxian Water Park. So it's a fun game. Okay, don't fall. Don't. First of all, also the game, I think has the best gameplay ever. It's the really good. It's better than that one Roblox that has more visits than this is getting. That one that was really bad and it turned into a good game. And it's no way near this one. I mean, this one's like, oh, this will be a ton of water slides here. No, it's more than that. Let me just go to the VIP section. Okay, yeah, VIP section. I'll look for Ethan Gamer TV. I'm not big on him now because he's quit doing Roblox. I think he just has a video now every year. It's special. He still gets subscribers, and he should get 10 to do it. I just don't like his channel. I used to not like it, and I was like, yeah, I should start watching it. And I loved it for a long time. I'm not gonna start off with a big jump. It's way too good to be true, so I wanna wait. I'm still playing games that cost Robux, because if it cost 100 Robux, it'd be worth all that Robux. Oh, I forgot you need VIP pass. How much does the VIP game pass cost? Yeah, VIP game pass costs. You can go, and you can fly to it. But this right here costs Robux. Say go. Let's do some flips. Honestly, look at that. Look at this. And also, if I mess up like the sky, I'm surprised. Last time I messed it up. First off, we're going to this slide area. Also, that was a pretty high jump. It's really fun. Okay, I don't know why it's fun. We don't want to go. Let's do more slides actually. Oh yeah, this area. Let's not do the Let's not do that one first. Let's do. Wait, where does this lead to? Where does that lead to? That leads to down there, which then lead. Oh, it leads to there. At least we got a different area to get to. We're going this one first. We're gonna go to. Let's go to a tunnel. Last time I just got tunnel, but I just used some launches. It's really confusing. Let's do this one. So we have this one, or we have this one. I did that one last time, but we'll do this one. I'm gonna do. Oh! Woo! Good one. Good one. Oh, yes, that's one. Wait, is he how fast it goes? Oh! Oh! That's good. This is a good one. Oh, yeah, boy. Now let me do this one. I can't. I only can do this about 2 minutes, so we'll make the best of our time. Commit video. Oh, yeah. I took a video. Stupid. Oh, come on. 10-minute video. We gotta be good to see. No, let's do like a. No, let's try to do 15 minutes. I'll try to do 15 minutes instead. Let's take the can instead. I'll do it. Oh, I should have done it. I just realized I should have done it. Whoa, we don't have 2 minutes. Oh. Last time I landed. Oh, yeah, this area. Does this have any good slides? What has one? I'm just gonna take the other can. I cannot slide. That was pretty bad. Oh, I forgot this one. Shoot. That wasn't a bad one. We're gonna go down here. Let's go to this one right there. And now do the tunnel slide. Oh, I want to do that. I gotta go to that beach place actually. We gotta do that black one. Oh, I want that. I'm gonna find a way to get there. You cannot see it. We have to do that black one. And we have to go. I'm gonna walk over there. I'm gonna see if I can find a way to get there. Does that lead you there? No, it doesn't. Is that a sand area? Okay, I need to turn this off. I feel like the dude's gonna play copyright music, so I'm just gonna turn it off. So Music playing. Now this is gonna be some good stuff. I don't know how you get there. We're gonna take the. How did I get there? Did I use a cannon? Let's go to more slides. Oh, here's this one. That's a blue slide. I never knew that. Wait, what's that hole for? I think that hole's for something. Dude, what's that hole for? Oh my god! Is this it? This is it! This is it! Oh! This is really good of a one! Shoot! I'm going upside down. I feel like I'm just messing it up though. May not be upside down. Shoot, I feel like I'm actually gonna die here. I feel like I'm actually gonna die. I guess they gonna miss. I guess they never miss. And miss ya! Shoot. Shoot! This is good. Oh, we're doing that again. We're doing that again. I didn't even expect that one to be it. We're doing that such again. We do that one so again. We're doing that one again. We gotta do that one again. That's a really cool one. I did not know that would be one. We'll do that. We'll do that before I hit the end of the video here, but that's a good one. I know you get a boombox pass, but I didn't want to do that. So, oh, shoot, doesn't have shift to sprint in the game. I wish they had it. Wait, what? Can I turn my shift lock? Yeah, turn it off. Maybe there's a shift to sprint. Yeah, so there's actually shift to sprint in the game. I thought that one would be one. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! This is a good one. I know this game doesn't. It should get more. Is it? It should get 1 billion. The amount Bloxburg is getting. This game never got enough attention, which it kind of failed if you think about it, because it probably was ahead of its time. I mean, there's no other game like this that you can ever find. I've been trying to make a game. Oh, that one also kind of hurts you, but I've never been able to find a model like it. I've been trying to make Roblox like this. Can never get scripting to do it. Even first person wasn't good enough. Okay, I mean they're good. Oh, we're gonna do those in a minute. I have never done all of these. I think you need Game Pass for them. Oh, that is one of my. I think it's a green slide. We're gonna do the green slide. Come on, take VIP teleport. Got it. I'm shift. This is shift to sprint. This shift sprinting, which I don't like. It's very slow. I guess it's better than nothing. We just gotta find that one. Is there a green one? Green one? There's a green one. Oh yeah, I know this one. We'll do this one next. I'll take back on the volume. Oh wow, wow, wow. Whoa! Woohoo! Woo! This is pretty good. But I forgot how bad this one is. You have to like go down here now. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh! Whoa! Woo! Whoop! Yoink! Get yoinked on! Backflips. Hardy. We're backflip. I can't do reaction videos unless I wanna. Unless I can make it bigger and unless my screen fits. I mean, I can do reaction videos. It could be a lot different. But oh, you noob, get noob, get noob. I know people have come here and they look like they have. Yeah, what's her username? I'll find her. Yeah, she has no Robux. You know why? Because there's an avatar customizer. I don't like to avatar. I look like a good person. I'm kind of changing those. I guess they never. It's young. I would put on my bikini. I bought it as a joke and I wouldn't wore it before, but it's just a funny one. I wanna give myself a robe on my alt account and then I went up here. Let's just say I actually messed it up so bad. Oink! I actually don't know why they had that for visible walls. If anybody can just exploit, there's a way to exploit out here, which is way hard to find. It's just really hard to find. There's the blue one. I have not shown. I can't show y'all. I haven't even seen one yet. Oh shoot! I know which one this is. No! Oh my god! Oh! Guy! I have to reset because this. That would be fun in real life if it actually happened. Like, I mean, I failed. That's pretty funny though. Wait, where did it spawn here? Oh yeah, I forgot I spawned here. Say shortcut instead. I don't need to get past here. It's a cool shortcut. It does count as kind of exploiting, but at the same time, I don't care. You can do it in the lines they have it with. Miss ya. Psych, that's the one no more. Oh, okay, that's weird. This is what you call it, exploit though. But I can do it. No! I messed it up. Maybe you can jump on top of it and something happens. It's got a life point. No, I thought it was like I could become an. I could go in this. Who's here? I thought that I was about to just find anybody who's here. I'm never. You're never get me. Noob, get late, epic beyond. Okay, dude. I actually. No, it's not good. How do I get out of here now? Oh, never needed to go there. Nobody ever knew I went there. At least I won for it. No, I could get banned. I could get it. Because I know the that's not you can get banned. I know a YouTuber did that and he got banned from the game, so I don't want to be that YouTuber. I also want to go to the light slide or something. Snow on me, y'all, but don't carry lactose intolerant. I'm about to have to end the video. I'm actually gonna do that one more. Come on, we're gonna do those two. We're gonna do that one. I'll have to do the black one more time. And I'll have to end the video with you actually. Oh shoot! If I fall off again, I'm not gonna be happy. I bet you're not gonna be happy. Oh man, I know a lot of people missed that one. It's really bad. Shoot. We'll put this one though. Oh boy. I actually hate this. I hate this so much. Hate this. I actually hate this. Boy. Why do I have a boy? I'm not a boy. I'm an idiot. Like you live in mama. I'm about to do the black one because it's only 12 minutes. I'll have like 40 minutes in, so I gotta end the video in a minute. But this looks pretty good. My other video finally got uploaded. And yeah. I'm just trying to do this. Oh! I thought I may not be able to do the blue one. I'll do a part 2 of this video for sure. There's no doubt I really like 1 o'clock. No, I'll do it now. No, part 2's gonna be more just trying to find slides and then doing them. Not really, but oh wait, that's how you get that beat second. You get it in. There, shoot. I'm not gonna introduce you now, so I can't. I'm gonna do the black one more time. I'll end it while I'm on the black ride. One. I gotta end it before. Yeah, I don't like those the night having to go down and then change it. I hate that. I mean, I get it's cool doing, but they should make it more what's better. Wish they would update that. Oh shoot, it's probably gonna be. You may not be able to make it. I think I got it. Yeah, we got it. Let's see if I do this. Let's see if I do it like this, and you can see. Hi, you want to show up? I have to always do that. But look here, I gotta get out. See if I go down, it doesn't count. I'm gonna zoom out all the way I can when I get. So I guess I'm gonna actually show y'all when I get out of the bottom. Oh, shoot, yeah, I had to get it now. I get out of the slide. Yep, I'm lucky. If I had done one of those little slides, I would have done. But we can end it here. We can end it. We're gonna have to end it here though. So I have myself zoomed out all the way. And when I come out of it, I have myself zoomed out. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it has an so Slacky. I guess that's gonna be it for the video, but bye guys. Bye.